Trump is everywhere because he wants to be like that. Now, what is Trump going to do next? His only aim is to chuck out all the immigrations, send all the immigrations. It need not be Indians, it need not be Mexicans or Ecuadorians, whoever it is. He wants all the immigrants to leave America. So what is he going to do? Now, one is the planetary combination, another is his policy. He has been openly doing the immigration, and from all the people who came to like non-blacks, he has moved into the black immigrant. Now, where will it lead to? Now, for blacks, it is a memory getting triggered back of Martin Luther King coming inside. And ironically, a person had openly challenged and said that we all have to stand and we have to fight against Trump administration in harmony as a group. And he has portrayed himself as Martin Luther King. So the memory is going to come back. When the memory gets triggered for people, the same passage of time will happen. And with that, there's going to be a strong opposition, and all the immigrants can join together, which will force a rioting to happen. So with the rioting only, Trump is going to clear the next level of immigrants. Because for many people, they have taken American as the homeland and they have rooted themselves inside. So it is like they will not have a homeland in America, neither they can go to their original homeland. It's like rooting has happened so deep. So now Trump will think of using the force as a riot to push all the immigrants back to their country. Now, where does astrology come inside? Astrology comes inside by the way of planetary alignments. For instance, if you take the horoscope in February, like I'm talking about the general horoscope, both in February and March of 2026, especially in February, you can see 5 planets conglomeration in Kumbha, and Saturn and Mars are coming together in Meena. So in the February, March and April will be very agitative point, and this will flare up in a full bloom rioting when these planetary combination, 5 planets combined together with Rahu in Kumbha, and when Saturn Mars are combining together. If you take 2011 World Tower bombing, it was Saturn and Mars coming together in Kumbha. So whenever Saturn Mars are combined together in any Rashi, the world will have chaos. That is what is going to happen in USA, and Trump is not going to be quiet. For Trump, he has to make a mark whether America stands still or it's going to go down. No, he has to make a mark in American history so that people will remember him. He is doing it in a very negative sense, which he is not worried. So for Trump, to push the immigration, it is not going to be a very easy one. So for him, he will use the rioting to push people away from America, which he thinks as cleansing. So this is Jayashree Astrologer talking about American rioting and immigration.